Mimo bibia akwaba strongo ediba to my GH and so now there's an honorable Kennedy Agyapong waka no bia me with the show so there's a one fan from onya body so kra banner eni han so eni wodi so there's a ne day there Asofo awon ebeka asofo mbe going down through the exposition there door enoma adoso na mushe eye de course na anjo ade ni mredi na say wo asofo bi edi so kofo bi na say nim say wo mo de wo mo edi anaso wo mo chen so ka de wo mo so bi nda enra eda wo mo di ebepie mo ewo expose no emu na me pe edi atre eye reverend Kweku Obofour. Now we need say fit afi 2020 and they say guest ahodra ya even to more ediba the see show so one pe kwan bi to center one di ni din no one sem bi ba be for it expose no emu so na be ya ebe ginger honorable Kennedy Agyapong no so di Obofour di echi na say sem de so no di ya angel Daniel will be in Nankasa, Pepper, the Reverend Obofour, so one way bia my echo reaction compono, honorable Kennedy Agyapong, but say at the two that said, no party. Idea of Pony Nipa said Nipa Ebren was a Nipa Ninkasa, Nipa will go Edman, the young Nipa. Now, sir, soon will be our Reverend Obofour. So I regarding or sell a Nipa, when put it true, or Nipa or your penny, and that's a word in him excellent. So I will go no their man who quite in the same day. One muscle. Nana no jada there will be nim de go see amakobo be nim so din wo bi mo bisa for be nim din de obia na te say the show ekoswa and I justice Kweku anan eboyi video bi edit na video no emu na say Reverend Obofour e was only dem a wo ye na djuma de otu be ye frɛ be ye ni te say e won ko ne bania e wo e na so dem na no and honorable Nikobo so afedie was say that dia enya sekota na ansana ebeko honorable exam no esono yego video justice Kweku anan ebo ya enam so ma honorable Obofour ekenya.
Now here comes another typical lies and fake miracle. This self-styled acclaimed prophet says that he has power to cure HIV/AIDS, including making his church members get money through his master. Master no or a master beya. Wanka Jesus, wanka God, all he's saying is master. Through this medium, we're asking, can we bring an HIV/AIDS patient? COVID the cramo intimi ansana yare. HIV/AIDS. Is he real or a fake? Listen to him.
HIV almost only Osurome.
Yes, Lord.
Be a one, be an eater. A sofa coffee back to send out Yaman was yes, Lord.
Yes, Lord.
The name of my master.
Jesus.
In the name.
Jesus.
In the name.
Jesus.
In the name.
Jesus.
In the name. So we are the mamiska can continue. Ska. We are the mamiska. Maybe I'm in Nakura's camera. Soon twist camera. Soon twist camera. Soon twist can continuous. Soon twist camera. Soon twist camera. Sa. Any brasso. Shall you soon twist camera? Soon twist camera. Can the Spirit speak with authority? Speak by faith. Speak by faith. Speak by faith. I command miracle money by force. I command miracle money. Marosibara. Le baba subiri ando robo. Le kibaro sita. Le baba subiri ando robo. Fafon tansi e emre meme wo me fi.
And you're not tons ni jiremu say ya. But the question is it real? Can he cure HIV/AIDS? I'm asking questions though. COVID aba, why can't they cure COVID? Yet another miracle he performed, and he subjected underage, both underage and old, pronounced them as witches, he claims. That the all kind of said, when you chew the apple, ye shall be set free. Is it true? It's fake. Listen to him.
Say it, yo, say it. Say it, yo, say it. Say it, yo.
The king.
Yeah.
The prophetic scepter.
Abba.
No, why are you not here?
Musical angel.
Where the Anyamena Mekaya,
Uncle Peter.
about 4 baby, national way.
Hey!
And no, we are by 4 now. Mammy, we are by 4. What's so we are by 4 now? I am by 4.
TV sitting on me by.
We have a TV show. We are by 4. What you will find here? Any Agyapong and Kunda.
A man in our follow no.
Either Don Shatter 1. I am the charismatic shatter.
Don!
What I have is what I deliver.
God bless you, Mapa.
That's right. I don't fear anything else.
Champion!
What I have is what I deliver. What I know is what I say.
Yeah, dada!
Is he a man of God? You see, Sanyomo we na ekoso o my way. Institutions subjecting underage on a wide television screen, pronounce them so we are witches. At the end of the year, subjected human beings into societal psychological torture. Have we thought of that? And you ma yade more manom Food and Drugs Authority more here. Look, a lot is going wrong. Our society we move. Also, Maka said this year politicians out. Let them do their job. As so for be a more meimu, a quarter more than mei first a dangerous. And institutions in this country wake up. Another miracle of performing. I have said this to some women in this country. How women can be vulnerable to some of these self-styled acclaimed fake pastors, prophets, and bishops. Another miracle I hear performing. Is this real? Take a listen. And the Kotokone has the phone and Muhuna money.
Munibako one Kotoko 4 but Drew has go. Has your focus watching. Yes, has your folk watching. One touch double touch you go. Atanakasa and a show Nyabutira keep on neighbor. Fuck center line. Grow. There you go.
Where is this the word of God? No, don't tell me say Mentiase, you have to understand. Go and read your scriptures. Never someone said there won't if you is this Christ-like?
Asem bebe de bi asem nyaba video yi Reverend Obofour ochi be for man di tumto e be for te na sorry for jibo no so man the fans no na nam so ama honorable so aba bontin honorable show no so abeka say se we nwa de na Obofour wo ka mo ati say komo woni be di ye ebre bi 2020 na no man nya akwato ye na nti wa mo sem so no san ko ni nya no they say oye nya dwin sakra te say o ma last warning Any and Sema Honorable Kennedy Japan to just ma Reverend Obofour last warning. So one chin won't every apple won't anything what Gana for so I massive work Ediaman what ya any eventual Tana Ghana and Zeno. Your catchy and be at the corner soon ya no be dream for Mama Ghana Sassino able to join us and get her. You could see it then a honorable and no Eddie etu Daniel ya de Edudeno AC.
Timu amoko sa asofo akohwefo yi ho ekope bibie hu enti sei na Obofour eye na sorry wow Obofour has to be careful. Obofour, you have to be careful. Anya sa me de ni awon me kan bi ya me kan because you cannot continue deceiving people vulnerable people. What do I say? Amassing wealth from the ignorant. God will not bless you. I'm one so I'm quite sorry. More sick. Sanko for I'm quite sorry. More sick. Enti obroni na odi asoro baaye no osise no ohudi kwankwam a wo twitue so wo bobru nzam tuo obi twisika so okotwitwa brunsam oba besia akola hwere chi no wo box brunsam what is going on?
Any assembly that one honorable assembly for warning na said rather about for wobedina so afisa na fitene ko ye mu so oflonte nyama ana se empo prapo no betu no efi eye abefonku ton anasmo nyaya e bizafaga na ha e bigana we dey honorable dey in the limit otumi ede bibia to ono na te se o man pedikra suro so beka ne kukuwa mu sema tell because ze ko ni bufu man pedina we ya be sa kukuwa mu sema be tabo titi obi aye careful enti wa anye careful abakoka nsem bia tere na te nsem no ebreda ho eye time limited se na honorable sem etifate no na ete bre no so sa de ne huni se oto de ebenye twi na enti ni yenhwe se de no Obofour ni tubetwi anase enji se ono aso ba beyi ensem ya no anase beka na no atu gana ha anymore yenhwe nim se ebeba ne sa na se ye twen kwa de na se bomodia na so for wadwenche efa ensem yo ebeso ye our comment section ho na ebiem so share video we on all the social media platforms. Follow TumaGH so our Instagram, Twitter so at TumaGH _ Facebook TumaGH. Musum for me munia banana ama omuswa